We're gonna try these new lashes. I've never heard of this brand before. So did you know that Revlon, the color stay that we've worn for like 20 plus years, reformulated it? This is long wear makeup now with hyaluronic acid and SPF. Medium to full coverage, SPF 20 it says. Yep, we're gonna try that. Okay, Lisa, you know that I threw away all your mascaras. I don't know if I've told you this, but I threw them all away because when I went to go use your makeup, they were all clumpy and dry. So I'm gonna get you a new mascara. So you tell me, do you want to try the Air Volume Mascara by L'Oreal? This actually looks really cool. Or do you want to try the Voluminous, new Voluminous, I guess, mascara? Which one? Tell me. Speak now or forever hold your peace.
The Air Volume.
Okay, we'll do Air Volume. And it's waterproof. Okay. Mascara. Next. What you did right here. Right here.
Tina, you can't record when I'm not feeling well. What am I supposed to be doing? Stop recording.
Show them that you just said.
Hold on. What?
What do you want to try that's new? You were
No,
saying.
you better not. You better
Just do it.
cut it out. Cut right now. Seriously.
Show them.
The pencil. It's a retractable brow pencil, and it's angles. Go.
Okay, show the camera. Show the camera.
You better not use this. I know you're going to use this.
Okay, we're gonna.
You don't care. You're going to embarrass me. I know it.
So this says, well, this is by L'Oreal, and it says Brilliant Signature Shiny Lip Stain, lightweight, high shine color. What do you think? Does it match? She's a good color. Like a nude.
It's like a nude.
Pretty color. Should I get this one, or should I get like something with more color?
I like something with more color.
Well, this is called Be Determined, but this one looks kind of dull.
No, I like that one better.
Okay. But this is like a color instead of like an everyday.
See, and I like the one on the left better.
You like this one?
Mm-hmm.
These are $10.
Yeah, that's why I'm not buying it.
I'm gonna get the one I wear every day.
So get the other one then.
Aye, Captain.
Oh yeah, I copped it.
Oh wait, maybe I should because it's a lip stain. Maybe I should get color. What do you think? Make sure it's not been opened. I don't know. Oh, Outstanding and Be Controlled are their best sellers. I'll get Be Controlled. I get the one you want me to get.
Boy, it's not like I'm ever gonna wear it.
You're gonna wear this, bitch. I'm gonna wear it. I'm buying it for you. That has all expired makeup. All right, there. Now tell. Oh, what are you doing to your lashes, Lisa?
What?
Tell them.
Tell who?
Tell the viewers why you don't like the mascara. Because what are you doing?
Christina, my hair is funky, and I just got out of the shower.
Just say
and I'm
it.
not dressed. Alex, unacceptable.
Tell them why you don't like the mascara.
It's too watery, and it makes clumps. You have to put it on very slowly and cautiously, and then I have to separate them with the comb because I couldn't find my thing.
Okay.
Look at that.
So you don't like
But
it?
look at the difference. I mean, it makes my eyelashes go up.
Yeah, after taking forever. I don't like it at all.
It takes
I
forever
mean,
to put on.
just because they look nice doesn't mean another mascara won't do better.
No, that's
What
the
does
whole
better?
point of them looking nice. It
You
takes
look-
time.
you-
Beauty takes time.
Oh my God. Why you're bitching again?
No, stop it.
Say it.
What? I said it leaves chunks, and then all the chunks fall into my face and gets on my skin, and I have to wipe it off.
Yeah, because the last 5 minutes you've been nothing but complaining about that.
Yeah, because it's all chunky. I already have. It's already on there good, but I'm just gonna put some on.
It's weird because you say it's watery, but it's chunky.
No, it's watery. Like if I go like this, but then it leaves like a big chunk of wetness clumped into the middle of your eyelashes. Stop recording.
I just thought I would come on here and show you some makeup that I picked up in San Antonio, Texas, and then review it here, and a new eyeshadow that I'm going to try out and see if I love. Wander Beauty, like, this is my first palette I've ever had of theirs. Like, you can see how much I've used it. It's so freaking awesome, right? Well, they sent a new one in the subscription box. I do Boxy Charm, and it's called Sweet Escape. Look at this. And when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so like my color palette. Purple, I love purple. That's why I'm wearing a purple shirt. Let's go ahead and just jump into this eye look and see whether we like these as much as we like the first one we got. Okay, eyeshadow is done. They went on beautifully. I'll clean up all this later that got outside of my eyelid. Okay, let's go ahead and just go into the eyeliner real quick. This is Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. I got this when I was in San Antonio, Texas, and I was mentioning that this is like probably the most smallest pointed eyeliner I've seen in a while. Can you see how super tiny and sharp that is? Look at this. I'm going to draw a line going up. Look at that. You see how super duper tiny? So if you're going over here making that little cat eye look, like this would be ideal. Look at that. Super easy. Okay, this is the new packaging for the glue liner, right? I actually think this is so nice and so well thought out because look at this. It comes with a little bag. So if you're traveling, it comes with your scissors, your glue, your application tool, your lashes, right? For like 10 bucks. And let me just tell you, I love this freaking glue. Now for this video, I want to pull out my black glue liner because this is clear and I don't want the clear to get dirty. If I put it on top of my eyeliner, it will pick up some of that black. This one I use when I don't wear eyeliner, but I'm wearing eyeliner right now. So I'm going to use the black one. As you can see, it's really awesome. Let me show you how awesome. So all you're going to do is go in and wherever your lashes are, and just draw a line like you're putting eyeliner on. Just like that. And it's going to stick right to them. You can take this little applicator if this helps you. Let me just show you my hand real quick. Do you see that? OMG. Okay, the door went off. My front door went off. So I had to go out there. I've been gone for like, I don't know, 15 minutes. Let's see. I've never put the lashes on this much later. Let's see if it's still sticky. It should be sticky. So here's the lashes. And look at this, guys. It's still sticky. So the eyebrow pencil that we bought at H-E-B in San Antonio was great, right? But if you note, I noticed that when my sister was putting it on, then she turned around and she grabbed the e.l.f. to finish it off. So that kind of tells you that maybe it's not the best formula for her. Let me just show you how amazing this e.l.f. is and why I think so many people buy it. Because it's the absolute perfect nude color. Look, not nude, neutral brown color. So if you don't want your eyebrows to be too dark, because you know sometimes when you go too dark, they can look like you're mad. A lot of people want the perfect shade of a neutral brown. And look at that. You see? It just looks like my eyebrow with just like filled in. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? You can see the difference. There's a big difference. Look at that. Beautiful. And this is in neutral. This is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence Primer plus Finishing Powder. This is, and I'm like, how is it 5-in-1? It says it smooths, conditions, refines pores, balances, and pre and post makeup. Pre and post makeup. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just put this on the face. Put a foundation over it. Now, when I was in San Antonio and I tried this out, I'll tell you one thing. I didn't like it. It made my foundation look too big. So I'm going to try a different. Look at how much it picks up. I mean, it's insane. It is insane how much it picks up. So I'm going to do a powder puff. And we're just going to lightly go over. Look at that. I mean, that's enough for the whole face right there. The whole face. Now, this is a trick. This is an old school trick of putting
powder, a very, very light amount of powder on your face, and then putting your foundation over that, it actually makes your makeup stay on all day, right? But when I tried this in San Antonio, I applied it with a brush, and my medium coverage foundation was like super heavy duty. I'm going to take the same foundation I tried in San Antonio. This is the Almay TLC 16-hour wear foundation in the color 220 neutral. And I'm going to apply it on top and see if it's the same, because I don't want to take a different foundation and then be getting different results. You know, I need to see whether it was just the way that I applied it or not that made it look so cakey. Get a beauty blender and wet it. It never fails. When I start recording, this one starts barking. Somebody knocks at the door or something. So there you go, Gucci. You're on camera. This is Gucci Canelo, not Coochie. Some people think it's Coochie. It's Gucci Canelo. And he just loves the camera, obviously. All right, go down. Be a good boy. Go, go. So I will say that the way that I applied it in Texas was probably way too much. I'm looking at my skin. It does not fill in the pores. It does not refine my wrinkles. It just looks like my foundation's on. That's it. So let's go ahead and finish it like it says. I'm supposed to finish it with this. And remember, don't swipe, because if you swipe, you get a heck of a lot. That's a lot. So let me take some of this. Let me just kind of pat it on there. Now, I will say, even though this is probably supposed to be a translucent powder, if you are darker than I am, this is going to leave you like ghostly white. Like, you can see I'm like, I'm not even rubbing it, and it's already leaving me with this ghostly look. But I can imagine when I spray a setting spray, everything's probably just going to blend together. Okay, I got to put some bronzer on. Let's finish this makeup up because I look ghostly white. I'm going to try this new cream bronzer. It's called Less. Ooh. Lower East Side. That's what it stands for, Lower East Side. This is called a Skyscraper. It's just a round container with a dark colored bronzer. I think on camera it looks lighter. I think. Let's see here. Let's just dip the brush right in and make ourselves not ghostly white. See if we like this or not. It kind of smells like Play-Doh. Yep, total Play-Doh. Let me take off the little mirror thingy. Does anybody want to be reminded of their childhood and feel like they're playing with Play-Doh on their face? Oh, that's actually kind of nice, though. It's not a super, it feels like a little bit more tough. Oh, until I did that. I don't know. It's like, it feels like a waxy formula. Let's see here. Doot, 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 doot. But it blends well. I have like this kind of bristle brush where the bristles are a tad bit, a little bit more stiff or coarse. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really nice looking. Look, this is magic. Let me show you the magic trick. You see the double chin? Now you don't. Believe it or not, watch this. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to disguise this darn double chin. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh, she's skinny. No double chin. It gives the illusion of the shadow. Look at that. There's the double chin. But when I look normal, you don't see the double chin anymore. Not too shabby for Lower East Side. I'm going to try it down the nose, even though I never do it down the nose because it's cream and I feel like it takes off my makeup. So I'm going to tap, 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 tap. And I bring it in here. Not too shabby. I think it's a little bit too warm, though, for my nose. These blush drops by Radical, their liquid blush drops, are freaking amazing. My sister goes, amazeballs. That's what she says. I don't know why she says that. Actually, I shouldn't even be saying that on camera. But that is her expression. She says, look at this. Isn't that just gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Put it on a brush. Just get a little bit. And since I have purple in my eyes, we're going to do some pink on the cheeks. And look at this. Look at the glow. Look at the youthfulness. Look at how young I look all of a sudden. Actually, you know what? I'm laughing because I joke with myself. I don't take myself so serious. Like, if you take yourself so serious, then to each his own. I just don't. But I honestly will say, when you have a blush that has a glow like this, that just gives you that, ooh, that youthful 20 teenage year glow, it makes you look younger. It really does. It kind of just gives your skin this like extra step of beauty. Now these lashes, I will say I didn't try these lashes on in this video, but I tried both pairs on prior. They're beautiful the way that they look. The only negative I have about it is when you look down, they get the glare of the light, making them look plastic. And I don't like a shiny lash, you know, that looks plastic. One looked more plasticky than the other. The look is beautiful when you look forward, but it's just like when you look down, you get that glare. That's what I noticed about these lashes. But otherwise, other than that, they were good. The lipstick that my sister wanted me to try was fantastic, believe it or not. This is by L'Oreal. I don't know what it's called. It just says L'Oreal. This is in the 302 Be Outstanding. This sucker was amazing. It almost feels like you're putting a gel on your lips. It's not like the consistency of a lipstick. It feels very gel-like. I'm going to set my makeup now with this Ilamasqua Hydro Setting Spray. I don't know. Let's try it. Ooh, very strong sprayer, which I love, but pull it back from the face before you spray. So I normally spray, and then I kind of just tap it in, and this will kind of like help all of that setting powder just blend and not look ghostly white. Oh yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's see if this already stained my lips. I think it was a lip stain. If it wasn't, my bad. I forgot. Okay, let's just wipe it off, see if my lips are stained. Well, for being on for like 2 minutes, a minute and a half, my lips actually have a nice little tint to them. I thank you guys for being here watching this video. I love you. Mwah. Love yourself. God loves you very much. I love you. God loves you. Do the best you can. Do the best you can do is what I'm going to say. Like in life and everything in general. Be the best person that you can be. Like we want to wake up every morning and strive to be the best us. There's nobody like you, and you're not supposed to be like anyone else. You know, I have, I've been doing YouTube for what, 13 years, 14 years, something like that. I only have 25,000 subscribers. And back in the day, I used to be like, oh, maybe I should act like this person, like Tati, or maybe I should do content like this, like other influencers. And I came to realize a long time ago, I'm just going to be myself. You like me, you love me, you hate me. You do. At least I'm authentic and myself. I love you guys. Thank you for being here and watching this video. Love yourself because I love you. God loves you. Everyone loves you. Okay? Just remember that there are people in this world that are there for a purpose and for a reason. And that person is you. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.